video, we're going to be using the order of operations to evaluate this expression here. Now, the order of operations, PEMDAS, gives us the order in which we should evaluate expressions. And that P stands for parentheses. And I do see a set of parentheses here. However, there is no operation inside of the parentheses, meaning inside of the parentheses, I don't see a plus or a minus or a multiply or a divide. So I'm going to mark that step off. Then I have exponents. I don't see any exponents in this expression. So again, we get to skip that step. Next, we have multiply or divide. Well, I do see a division there. So I'm just going to underline it here for myself. It's going to draw my eye to that division, and I'm going to do this division. Now, negative 25 divided by 5. Negative divided by a positive gives me a negative answer. 25 divided by 5 is 5. So I know what I've underlined here becomes negative 5. Now be real careful because you have a minus here as well. You need both of them. Now let's deal with the minus here. In order to change this to an addition, which I want to, I can do this as long as I change the sign of the next number. Sometimes teachers refer this to add a line, change a sign. Add a line to the subtraction sign to make it addition, and change the sign of the next number. Now we have negative 11 plus 5. Now, friends, I'm going to tell you how I explain this to some students and helps them get an understanding. If the negatives are bad guys, this means we have 11 bad guys, and the positives are good guys. So we have 5 good guys. If 11 bad guys do battle with 5 good guys, who's going to win? You're right. The bad guys are going to win because there's more of them. So I know my answer is negative for the bad guys. How many more bad guys are there than good guys? Remember, there were 11 bad guys, 5 good guys. That means we have 6 more bad guys than good guys. Another way to do that is to remember that if signs are different, you subtract the numbers. 11 minus 5 gives me 6. And you take the sign of the larger number here. Just a couple of different ways to think of that when you are working with positive and negatives.